How to add a credit card on Shein app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can add your credit card to your Shein app account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Shein application. Here, make sure that you are logged into your specific Shein account. Now let's buy a product. Select any product that you would like to buy and tap on Add to Cart. Now at the checkout section, you will see your order confirmation. Here you will also see payment method. Select the option of credit/debit card. Once it is so, tap on Place Order. Then you will get directed towards this payment section. Under here, enter your card number, your card expiration date, and your CVV. Now here is what you can do to add a card to your Shein account. Tap the option that says remember this card for future use. Tap on confirm. Just like so, this is how you can add your card to your Shein app account. Now once you make your next purchase, this card will be automatically shown to you at your payment section. This is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.